Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Breathing and the Lungs Part 2. Bingo. So without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. The space between the membranes of the pleura. A. Bronchus. B. Pleural cavity. B. Bronchial. D. Trachea. And the answer is B. Pleural cavity. The pair of membranous folds of the larynx, whose edge vibrate in an airstream to produce sound or voice, situated near the glottis. A. Epiglottis. B. Nasal cavity. C. Vocal cavity. D. Larynx. And the answer is C. Vocal cords. An active process, i.e., requires energy. This taking air into the lungs. The intercostal muscles between the ribs contract, causing the ribs to move upwards and outwards. The circular muscles of the diaphragm contract and cause it to flatten. These actions result in an increased volume of the thorax and decrease in the air pressure in the lungs. Consequently, air is drawn into the lungs. A. Inspiration. B. Breathing. C. Expiration. D. Gas exchange. And the answer is A. Inspiration. Of or pertaining or relating to the nose. A. Nostrils. B. Nasal. C. Cilia. D. Respiratory surface. And the answer is B. Nasal. Specialized region where gaseous exchange takes place. For example, alveoli of humans, gills of fish, skin of earthworm. A. Ventilation center. B. Breathing system. C. Respiratory surface. D. Pleural membranes. And the answer is C. Respiratory surface. Tube through which air enters a body. Animal, insect, etc. Air. Trachea. B. Nasal cavity. C. Bronchitis. D. Epiglottis. And the answer is A. Trachea. One of a pair of spongy organs that functions during breathing for gaseous exchange. A. Alveolus. B. Diaphragm. C. Lungs. D. Cilia. And the answer is C. Lungs. The two openings in the nose that allow air to the lungs. A. Nasal cavity. B. Bronchi. C. Trachea. D. Nostrils. And the answer is D. Nostrils. Two thin membranes of epithelium. One lines the cavity of the thorax and the other covers the outer surface of the lungs. A. Diaphragm. B. Pleural membranes. C. Alveoli. D. Intercostal muscles. And the answer is B. Pleural membranes. The muscles located between the ribs. A. Diaphragm. B. Intercostal muscles. C. Lungs. D. Pleural membranes. And the answer is B. Intercostal muscles. Area of the medulla oblongata, sensitive to the level of carbon dioxide in the blood and the pH of the blood. When carbon dioxide level increase, pH lowers, that is, gets more acidic. And this area increases the rate of breathing. A. Ventilation center. B. Respiratory system. C. Breathing system. D. Respiratory surface. And the answer is A. Ventilation center. Yes, between the roof of the mouth and the base of the skull, divided into two by the septum, and each half connects to the exterior via the nostril. A. Nostrils. B. Vocal cords. C. Nasal cavity. D. Larynx. And the answer is C. Nasal cavity. The number of inspirations per minute The average for an adult at rest is approximately 16, controlled by the ventilation center of the medulla oblongata. A. Rate of breathing. B. Gaseous exchange. C. Respiratory system. D. Breathing system. And the answer is A. Rate of breathing. Silymous substance produced by certain membranes, consisting mainly of glycoprotein. It lubricates, moistens, and protects tissues, and may contain enzymes. A. Bronchitis. B. Oxygenated oxygen. B. Mucus. D. Cilia. And the answer is C. Mucus. Fluid found between pleura, which reduces friction when breathing. A. Blood. B. Pleural fluid. C. Mucus. D. Nasal fluid. And the answer is B. Pleural fluid. Group of organs concerned with gaseous exchange. For example, lungs, muscles, etc. A. Breathing system. B. Respiratory surface. C. Ventilation center. D. Respiratory system. And the answer is D. Respiratory system. Voice box, located at the top of the trachea, produces sound. A. Larynx. B. Nostrils. C. Lungs. D. Glottis. And the answer is A. Larynx. Blood that has oxygen attached to the hemoglobin. A. Respiratory surface. B. Oxygenated blood. C. Inhalation. D. Breathing rate. And the answer is B. Oxygenated blood. Hello friends, thank you very much for taking part in Breathing and Lungs Part 2. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.